Did you know that you can replace a randomly generated Joomag URL with your own or company domain? Well, you'll be surprised to know that you can do that with Joomag as well. And in this lesson, we're going to learn how to perform branded domain setup. But first of all, you need to connect your domain to your Joomag account. To do so, click on the settings icon and go to the domain section. In the Your Domain Name field, you need to enter your domain name and choose the domain register where your domain was purchased from. Also, you need to make sure and update the DNS settings point to Joomag IP address beforehand. Click Next button. Now, we need to activate our domain. Click on the Edit icon. Then click Activate button. Congratulations, your domain is up and running. Now, we need to link this connected domain to one of our collections, so that all the publications under the collection will be displayed with the linked domain name. Let's go to the dashboard or My Publication section and open the collection that we need to link the domain to. Click Actions and click Viewer Settings button. In the Domain Connect, choose the domain that we have just connected to our accounts. Scroll down and click Save and Close. Congratulations, your domain has been successfully connected to your collection as well. To check how your domain looks like, simply enter the domain name in your browser's address bar and click Enter.